those actors.
You know what? You still can.
Oh, some ice cream. Bring me ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
Para que te den helado. Mira, aquí está.
Oh my goodness. He is coming over. Here we go. Oh my god. This is just the queue, it's not the actual house just yet. Oh shit. This is awesome. This way? All right, friends, here we go. Bunny Bradley's Ice Cream Shop, brand new haunted house here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Let's get it started. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Which way do I go? I go this way or this way? Wait, where do I go? Oh, okay. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm scared. Oh my God, I'm scared. Holy crap. Hi. Oh my God. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hey there. Oh my God! Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Ew, those roaches. Ew. Hi. Which way do I go? Wait, where? This way? Oh god. I'm so jumpy, y'all. Oh, I'm so jumpy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You gotta help me! You gotta help me!
Oh, what? Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. 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 Oh, hello. Oh my god. Hey there. Hey. This is so true. This is insane. Oh my god. Look at this room. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so scary. Oh my god. Is that a real guy? Oh. Okay. 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 Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Why am I freaking out so bad? Hello. Oh, it's lights on. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. This is so scary. Hi. Okay. All right. Oh.